What's up you guys, it's Sienna, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different here on the vlog channel. I've had a few different requests on Instagram and in the comments asking to see how I do my makeup. I've only been doing makeup since like last year and I keep it pretty simple, so hopefully this video makes it easy for you. I particularly have hooded eyes. I didn't realize that, and that was like my biggest reason for why I was struggling with makeup. I really hope that it works out today because some days it just does not cooperate. But I just have a liquid eyeliner. This one's by ColourPop. And then I have a volumizing mascara, also by ColourPop. This one might be running out. I've been using it a whole bunch. I really like them, and they're both like really cheap. I think they're like $8 a piece, so like can't really go wrong. But yeah, let's do this. Hopefully this is a good angle. I have my mirror right here. I will probably be looking down like this as I look into the mirror. Hopefully that is in frame. I will try to give this a little step by step. So the first thing I do is I draw the line out for however long I'd want my wing to be. So I'm going to, so on either side now, I have a little bit of a wing. Now this is where I always try to stare at it, see if they're actually even at this point, make sure they're like the same length. I try to measure it to the length of my nail, or like just a little bit past. And then I want to make sure that they're roughly the same angle. Of course, they don't have to be twins, they just have to be sisters and look enough alike. My camera, when I stream, is right over there, so I usually look at a similar angle to this, to the camera, and I have to keep that in mind too. Oh, I just totally shook the entire tripod. Let me put this aside. Okay, so next step is I'm going to take the line from the wing and just pull it in. Hopefully it turns out good. I don't like it to be too chunky, but sometimes it does turn out a little bit chunkier than I was expecting, but we'll see what it does this time, because you can always add more, but it's very hard to take it away. So what I have here is I kind of just pulled it in. There's a little bit of extra bump here. I'm going to try to remove that with some remover, but I am going to try to take this line into about here where where the color of my eye ends, and then I'll color it in. Okay, so that's one eye right now. Still do have that little chunk, and I'm going to try to remove it if I can with the makeup remover that I left in the other room. But I'll show you guys that. And on occasion, sometimes I will just completely remove one of these, because while it happens quite often where I end up liking both of them, but they just don't match. And that's okay. And I try to just pick the one I think I can replicate the best in that case. Here they pretty much look the same. I'm going to try to, on appearance, I definitely like this one better than this one. I'm going to try to add a little fill in the arch of it and see how that looks. So I actually think I fixed the issue that I was having earlier where there's a little bubble, because now I took it down like this. They do have slightly different angles going on, but I'm no expert. I've only been doing this for probably a little less than a year. But I am doing my best and enjoying it. So I think they're close enough that you can't really tell too much unless you're like analyzing up close. But I think they're pretty darn close. I really like this one today. But now it's just apply some mascara, which because it's running low, it's been coming out a little bit chunkier than like I originally anticipated. Okay, and I just kind of applied it, did a little shake, and then pulled it out, trying to get it to kind of floof up. So as you can see, this eye, obviously you can see the eyelashes now. I have pretty dark in a lot of eyelashes, but on this side you can't really tell because they're pretty sure the tips of all of them are pretty blonde. So as soon as you add the black mascara, which I prefer black than brown. I know brown's technically more of like a daytime look and black's more of like a party look, but I found like on camera the black just appears better. It does more of a pop. So I definitely like how that looks. Okay, so now I have both sides done. It looks a lot more even, and I really like how that turned out. With today's look, you could always add like some eyeshadow or something. You probably want to do the eyeshadow before the eyeliner and then touch it up after the eyeliner. but I found that in most cases, because I have hooded eyes, you can't even see my eyelid anyway. So it's like almost seems pointless to actually put eyeshadow on unless I'm looking for like a very particular look. I matched this with my pigtails, which I really like how it frames my face and like flatters. It's still drying from being in the shower. And then I have my new necklace that my grandma just got me, and then this choker, and I think those in combination look really nice. Probably gonna pair this with a whole outfit and stuff, and yeah, so that's how I do my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope this is a little bit helpful to beginners, especially ones with hooded eyes, because I found it very difficult to even realize I had hooded eyes. But when you open your eyes and you can't see your eyelids really, that would be hooded eyes. Yeah, and the angle you kind of take with hooded eyes is different than if you didn't have hooded eyes. I kept trying to apply it how everyone else was applying it, and it was not working. But yeah, super simple. I don't do the whole foundation and everything. Overall, I have pretty clear skin, but I don't want to cake stuff onto it. It just becomes, it gets itchy and I don't like it. It just feels weird having a layer of gunk on my face, but the eyeliner and mascara I can deal with just fine. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Comment below if it helped you or if you enjoyed this video. Give this a thumbs up. I hope to see you guys all next time for another whole new video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!